like singing Scots songs because I like to learn new words.
I like singing Scots songs because they're really fun to sing it.
I like singing the Scots songs because I think they're really nice to sing and they're really catchy and you learn the new words.
Everybody enjoys it when Lilian comes because there's always new songs to learn and it's always great fun. My favourite warm-up is Boom Shaka Boom because it's really fun.
In a really deep voice, I said it, boom shaka boom. I said it, boom shaka boom. I said it, boom shaka boom.
It is actually part of the curriculum now, Curriculum for Excellence, and all children in Scotland need to be introduced or exposed to Scots language. The children themselves really enjoy the Scots language and rolling their tongues through all these words that maybe they've never heard before, or maybe they've just had a little bit maybe from a granny or something like that. So it's really good fun for them. I think it's very, very important that Scottish children are taught about their own culture, language and heritage.
I think it gives my children a wonderful opportunity to learn songs, so it's wonderful from that point of view. Oh, they're very, very enthusiastic. They just love it, and you see, they look on the whiteboard in the morning for the timetable, and if they see, that it's at, oh great, Lilian's coming, and you hear them going out at playtime, singing some of the songs and things, and the rhymes. And they're interested in the words because they think some of the Scots words are very funny and they try using them. Oh, I think so. The boys seem to enjoy so many of the songs and rhymes because they find them quite humorous and they like seeing the words. So the boys in particular are really enthusiastic in comparison to others singing. And even when it's some of the not humorous songs, I thought they were still very enthusiastic, doing things like Mormon Braes and things, which was not humorous, but they seemed to take it on board and put as much effort into that as the other ones.